Aman starts from a place at 7 a.m. with a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Rahul starts from the same place at 9 a.m. with a speed of 15 kilometers per hour. When will Rahul meet Aman? Now, let's assume that Aman and Rahul start from this place. Now, Aman has started at 7 a.m. and he is traveling at 10 kilometers per hour. And Rahul is starting at 9 a.m. So we can easily calculate that Rahul, when he's starting at 9 a.m., is 10 into 20, 10 into 2, that is 20 kilometers behind Aman at 9 a.m. Now, the question asked is when will Rahul meet Aman? So, in such questions, time is equal to separation upon relative speed. Now, at 9 a.m., the separation between Rahul and Aman is 20 kilometers, and the relative speed, because Rahul and Aman are traveling in the same direction, the relative speed will be the difference between their speeds. Therefore, relative speed will be 15 minus 10. So you get 20 upon 5, that is 4 hours. So 4 hours after 9 a.m. and therefore the answer will be 1 p.m.